If you're considering KickoffLabs for your landing page needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. While it has some great features, there are also areas where other platforms might give you more flexibility or better value. Stick around to the end, where we'll give you a better option to consider. First off, Kickoff Labs is well known for its powerful lead generation tools, but it's primarily focused on creating landing pages designed to capture email signups and collect data from potential customers. While it's a great choice for startups or small businesses, it's not as feature-packed as some competitors like Lead Pages or Unbounce, which offer more advanced design and optimization options. Next thing, Kickoff Labs offers solid templates, but there's a catch. The customization options are somewhat limited compared to others in the space. If you want complete design freedom, other platforms might offer more flexibility. However, Kickoff Labs does excel when it comes to simplicity, which is ideal if you want to create a landing page quickly without diving deep into complex design. The third thing to know is that Kickoff Labs integrates easily with email marketing platforms, CRM systems, and analytics tools. This makes it a solid choice if you're already using services like MailChimp or Zapier. However, some competitors offer native integrations that might be more seamless or extensive. Fourth thing, the A/B testing functionality is decent, but it's not as advanced as some other platforms like Optimizely or VW. If split testing is a critical component of your marketing strategy, you may want to check out other tools that provide more granular control and deeper insights. Fifth, the pricing structure. Kickoff Labs is more affordable compared to some high-end competitors, making it a great option if you're on a budget. However, if you want advanced features like landing page optimization, the costs can add up quickly, and it might not offer the best value compared to alternatives like ConvertKit or InstaPage. Next thing, one standout feature of Kickoff Labs is its referral program feature, which allows you to reward people who share your landing page. This is a unique advantage over some of the competition, but be aware that it may not be as customizable as other referral tools you might find in a more comprehensive platform. The seventh thing to mention is the lack of sophisticated analytics. While you can track basic metrics like conversions and traffic, you won't get as detailed data as you would with platforms like Google Optimize or Unbounce, where you can track multiple variables and have more detailed insights. Eighth thing, Kickoff Labs does offer a simple drag-and-drop editor, but it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as other options. If ease of use is your top priority, it works fine, but if you're looking for more robust design elements, you might feel limited. Ninth, customer support. Kickoff Labs does a solid job here, offering live chat and email support. That said, competitors like Lead Pages provide 24/7 support, which could be a deal breaker if you need constant availability or more in-depth support. The 10th thing is their limited mobile optimization. While Kickoff Labs offers mobile-friendly templates, the customization options for mobile views are basic. If you're running a highly mobile-focused business, you may want to look into other tools that specialize in responsive design. The 11th thing, although Kickoff Labs provides great customer onboarding, it's not as intuitive as some platforms with built-in tutorials and guided workflows. If you're new to landing page creation, some other platforms might make your life a little easier with a more structured learning experience. Finally, the 12th thing, Kickoff Labs is a good option for those who want simplicity, especially for lead generation. But if you're looking for more flexibility and advanced marketing tools, you might find platforms like Unbounce, Lead Pages, or InstaPage a better fit. In conclusion, Kickoff Labs is a solid choice for businesses focused on lead generation and simplicity. But if you want a more feature-rich experience with greater flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.